In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Beginner Tutorial. Choose a Shopify plan. If you've just created your Shopify account, good news. Shopify often runs a trial where you pay just $1 a month for the first few months. This is the perfect window to build your store without any pressure to make everything final on day one. Use this time to add products, write your descriptions, organize collections, set up your pages and policies, and experiment with payment and shipping settings. Treat it like a safe sandbox. You can click around, learn how the dashboard works, and make mistakes without worrying about wasting a full-priced month. When you're ready to pick a plan, start simple. For almost every beginner, the basic plan is all you need. It gives you your full online store, unlimited products, and 24/7 support, which means you can get help anytime if you're stuck. Unless you're running a large team or managing multiple retail locations right now, the extra features and higher plans won't move the needle for you yet. The goal at this stage is to get live, learn your audience, and start making sales without overpaying. You might be wondering about the more expensive plans. They're designed for high-volume stores. The biggest benefits you'll see there are lower credit card processing rates and more advanced reporting. Those perks matter once you're generating serious sales and need deeper insights. But here's the key. You can upgrade at any time as your store grows. Don't pay for pro features until you're doing pro numbers. Start lean with basic and let your revenue tell you when it's time to move up. Now, if you're serious about your business and planning to stick with Shopify for the long haul, consider switching to yearly billing once you're confident. Going annual typically saves you around 25% right off the top. That's real money you can put into ads, content, apps that genuinely help, or even better product photos. A practical path is to build during the trial, launch on the basic monthly plan, and then switch to yearly when you know the setup is working for you. To wrap up, keep it simple. Choose the basic plan, save your money, and start selling. Your focus should be on learning your customers and improving your store, not overpaying for features you won't use yet. In the next video, we'll pick your store theme and make everything look clean, professional, and ready to convert. Stay tuned for that, and let's keep building your business the smart way.